In historic decision, Supreme Court shuts down liberals' Holy Grail case. Democrats want to weaponize the Supreme Court to remake America as they see fit, no matter whose time they have to waste and whose life they have to ruin. The left repeatedly files frivolous lawsuits in an attempt to get international attention, and they get it by petitioning their causes to the highest court in the land. This is why Trump's 2016 victory was so vital. Had Hillary won, the Supreme Court would be hopelessly stacked with leftist judges who would always rule in favor of the Democrats. Instead, we are winning, and now a major leftist lawsuit is getting slapped down by the Supreme Court. Say goodbye to their liberal dream. U.S. Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts brought a temporary halt late Friday to a landmark climate change lawsuit that was set to begin later this month. It. Supreme Court pauses kids' climate case in win for Trump, reports. Have argued Fed government violated rights protected under the Constitution to live in and occupy a safe climate. President Donald Trump's Justice Department asked the Supreme Court to stop the lawsuit in a filing on Thursday. Roberts approved the request on Friday even though the U.S. High Court in a unanimous ruling in July had said that the case could proceed. 21 children and young adults sued the federal government in August 2015, alleging the government had failed to protect them from the impacts of climate change. Suing the government for failing to protect against climate change is a crock and a total myth. These 21 children and young adults have no concept of what the Constitution says. Nowhere does it state that the government is obligated to protect them from the boogeyman of climate change. The fact that this case even made it this far is ludicrous. Share if you think climate change is a liberal hoax. Thank goodness we finally have level-headed men and women leading us to stop this type of insanity. But Democrats want to take control back so that they can impeach Kavanaugh and Trump. Hillary is even talking about a run in 2020. The only way to stop them is to vote in the 2018 midterms. Share if you're voting all red to keep the Trump train rolling.